10 years since I last saw you.
Remember me, I am the infamous Odysseus!
Let's see where you've been.
Ruthlessness is mercy upon the sin.
On the wrong move and you're done for. Anything I
Song of past romance, I see the we won't take more suffering from you.
drown in your sorrow and fears. Morning, sleepyhead, you've been resting for a while. I swore that you were dead when you washed up on my aisle. Did you know you talk in your sleep? Tell me though, who's Penelope?
She's my wife.
Anyways, I've got all you could want here, all you could need here. Just you and me, my dear, my love for life. Soon into bed we'll climb and spend our time.
I'm not your man.
I'm what you want here, I'm what you need here. Just you and me, my love in paradise. Now till the end of time, from here on out you're mine. Oh,
I know I could kill you where you stand. I'm no pet, I'm a married man.
oh, handsome, you may try, but last I checked, goddesses can't die.
Goddess.
You're adorable. Bow down now to the immortal Calypso, here to entertain. But fear not, I bring no pain.